Well, I've had this sterling silver ring that I've had for many years, and I've worn it a lot, as you can see by all the scratches on it. So I'm going to polish it back to where it looks like new again. I'll start with some relatively fine sandpaper, 320 grit. And then I'll go up to 500 grit, and then 600, and then 800, and see where we go from there. I'm thinking that after the 800, I will start with a diamond polishing paste, starting at about 1,000 grit and working my way up to 30,000 grit. So I'll start sanding. I'll start wet sanding, and that keeps the metal cool because too much heat is not good. Now the goal here is to remove pits and scratches from the metal. And I'm going a little bit slowly and gingerly because I'm not sure how the metal's going to react. You can still see some pits, so I'm going to continue with the 320 grit wet sanding. The thing about working with something as small as rings and jewelry is it takes very little sandpaper. Okay, there, that helped. I'm not sure I want to go much further with the 320, but maybe a little further. Okay, making progress. So now I'll move up to the 500 grit. And again, using plenty of water to keep the metal cool. Yeah, better. I'll go a little more with the 500. Okay, good. So now I'll move on to the 600 and the 800. And I'll speed up the video a bit here because it's kind of lather, rinse, repeat. Okay, good. Now I don't want to get too aggressive with the sandpaper, so now I'm going to start with the diamond polishing paste. And I'll start with 1000 grit. You can see right now that it has a nice satin finish. We're going to bring that up to a high polish, and that's where the diamond polishing paste comes in. And it just takes a little bit. And I apply it with a paper towel. It's a very technical tool. Okay, so now I'll just keep going all the way up to 30,000 grit. The polishing paste has a lubricant in it, so that's why you don't need to use water with it like you do with sandpaper. Looks better with each pass. One final polish. Beautiful. That's what I wanted. I'm very happy with how this polished up. If you'd like to have your rings polished up or refreshed, contact me on the website. And while you're there, take a look at all the brand new inlay and wire wrapped rings available on the site.